you.
Okay. Okay. So, dear, you'll have to check your own thing here, okay? Because I think यहाँ पे कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. Anyway, so I see you guys, and I go back to the college days, and I want to, you know, I get back to the witty myself. So, and I don't, and I forget that I'm at a very formal place. So, never mind. Okay, Garima, you know what? You should
I
face
have.
the light and sit, bacha. So that abhi jahan se, हाँ, see you, that's so much better. Always face the light. Don't have the light behind you. अभी तक सिखाना पड़ रहा है. Okay, guys. So, ऋषभ जी आ जाइए.
Ma'am, give me 1 minute only. I'm sending my link to laptop's
अच्छा,
link. Yeah.
अच्छा. मुझे लगा you've gone to Dolab.
No, no.
No, no. Okay, so Kanaya ji, we are starting. Shall we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, hi and welcome everybody. And I am Professor Gulbash Tugul, and I'm the Dean at International College here. And I'm super, super, super excited to see my kids around after a very long time. Uh, Gopika, I've been interacting with some of the kids quite often, so, have met her. But the rest of them, they've been very busy working, and all I do is I keep talking to their HRs and I keep getting their reviews and everything, but have not really been in touch in not have been in touch, but not really been, talking or meeting these kids.
Yeah.
So let me introduce you all to them. Let's start with Juhi. Juhi is from our 2016 batch, and so is Prithvi, and
Hi
so is
everyone.
Rishabh. And Juhi is currently working as a merchandiser with um, Triberg. And
Freiburg.
yes, and Triberg, she will like, tell you what this company does and everything, but this is one of the best buying agencies in the country. And she has managed, she's worked very, very hard, and I've got real good reviews about her. It makes me proud every time anybody comes and says, oh, your kids are doing well. So I'm very, very happy about it. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Prithvi, anytime. Prithvi is working with a brand called Dhi. It is run by designer Ranjana Bhargav. And I'll give you a quick incident that I bumped into her in one of the exhibitions, and she was busy at the stall and everything. And when Anjana Bhargav came in, and then she said, "Oh, she's such a sweet girl, and she's such a hardworking girl." And suddenly, I become like a proud mommy. So welcome, Prithvi, and I hope you're still doing
Thank you
well.
मैम.
ये बहुत बिगड़ी हुई बच्ची थी क्लास में, which is
बहुत
okay.
ज्यादा.
But that's the best part, that's what it is. And now Gopika. So Gopika was a 2018 batch, and she started her career as a fashion consultant with Marks and Spencer, and she also gave us good feedbacks got us good feedbacks from the recruiters. And she has also started her own business now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so it's called Nagi.
Nagi design. Nagi
हाँ,
design.
Nagi Design. So she will also tell you about that. And जब तक ऋषभ अपने टेक्निकल उसमें आ रहा है, तब तक Garima. So Garima is a 2017 batch, right, Garima? Yes, and Garima has been on her own thought processes in life. And the one thing was that she's always been wanting to do something herself and start her own. So she's never really bothered about, even if we would send her or ask her to go and, give an interview, she'd go, but then she'll come back and say, you know what, I still want to do my own. And I think she's made the best out of the lockdown period so far. She's done quite a bit. She started her own label called Gimicio, and she will tell you about that. And it's a very interesting story on how she got into this denim thing. So I hope she will be able to tell you that, if whatever. So good to see you again, Garima.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछती है, आज हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे.
कोई
So,
बात नहीं.
and last but not the least, we have Rishabh, who is like Mr. India. Rishabh has been, again, 2016 batch. He's working with a multi-designer outlet called Aza. And he started as a fashion consultant. He's now a merchandiser. And he's also simultaneously started his own business. He's working on it and he's already got a couple of orders and he's doing pretty well. Also, outside Aza as well, whoever he has made the collections for or garments for have always given good reviews. So good work, Rishabh. Only if we can see you, Rishabh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I will good to see you, Rishabh. And
Finally.
finally we see him, huh? Okay. So what we'll do is we'll give you a little time if you can just talk about your what you're doing, and then we'll open up this conversation further. So who wants to start? Juhi, would you want to start?
Sure, ma'am.
All right. Let's
So,
hear your
hi
story.
everyone. I'm Juhi. As Gulbash ma'am has already given my introduction. So, I'm working with Triberg. It is one of the leading buying houses in India. What a buying house is, it is basically a bridge between overseas brands and the manufacturer based in our country. We do designing, we do product selling, we do marketing, keep a track on the very. So ICF, actually, when I came to ICF, I wanted to be a designer. That is like actually why we all get admission in fashion designing. But when I my studies started and we went on with the subject, I kind of developed my interest in merchandising. So that was the one thing. We were given such a in-depth insight of the industry that I was, I quickly knew that I am not a designer, I am a merchant. And that helped me a lot when I started my internship and then my job. The things that we were taught in college, that helped me a lot. And I can tell you this thing, I should not be comparing, but the students who were coming from other college, they were not aware what merchandising is, what the basic terms are, how things work. But we were taught at ICF. It helped a lot. It literally helped me excel in the field. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we do in a buying house.
Brilliant. So Prithvi, what do you have to share?
I would like to tell everyone that when I got into ICF, it was a very different environment for me. It was they're very different from normal colleges because of course, because of the infrastructure and because of the teachers and because of the curriculum, because we're very used to, having books and everything. But when we got into ICF, everything was like, everything is in front of you. You have to learn, you have to gather every information you can. Like all the teachers are like, they will just help you whenever you can, but also you have to ask for the help. You have to, step up and learn. You have to step up and seek, what else I can do. And as Juhi said, we were open to we were given so many opportunities as not just as a designer, but in so many other fields. Like we did not know half of the things that you can become other than a designer. But I stick to designing because that's what I wanted to do. And I'm an assistant designer with Anjana ma'am. She is running a luxury Pret label. It's a fairly new brand, but it's picking up fast. And Anjana ma'am, who's like a very big name, she's one of the board members of FDCI. And after I got into FDCI, after I got into to work with Anjana ma'am, I also learned that she came to one of our what do we call that?
What?
The jury round.
No, not the jury round.
Orientation.
Yeah, orientation. She
Orientation.
came one of the first orientations of ICF,
Yes.
and I was so thrilled. I was like, I feel so close to my college, and that was one of the biggest things. Like that was And that is why, Anjana ma'am recognizes the college, and she hired me, and she actually saw, okay, this college has the potential. They produce students who can actually work out in the field. And it was great. Like, I cannot be thankful enough. But it
Okay,
was
I will have to add on here. It's not that, only the college teaching you, okay? It is you guys who have to take it. Not everybody can take it as well. So that's the reason why you always got yelled at. So
I
and
am super
followed.
glad about it. I was super slow. I was such a slow student. Like,
Not
my
slow,
work,
you were more rebellious than slow. So
my work was never the problem. It was the fact that I do it on a very like slow speed. And my like every teacher was like, stop being a perfectionist. Try to work on the right time, because when you get out in the field, no one is going to care how proper every line is going to be. You have to work. You have to present a good thing again, and you just have to work at the right time. You're going to be under a lot of pressure, and I think that pressure in the college helped me learn. Okay, I cannot do this. I cannot be lazy, and I really, really have to like work hard.
chalo, kuch to samajh aaya. Dear is durust hai. Good. Yes, Gopika. What's your experience? Tell us about your brand, what you're doing, everything.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. And my name is Gopika. And most importantly, I have worked in Marks and Spencer at a fashion stylist for 1.5 years. After that, I started my own designer collection. It's called Nagi Designs. With the symbol, we can say that it's snake one. And this is a full of hand worked, hand picked items. And I think more Garima knows more about my collections. She always messaged me and she always asked me, Didi kidhar se ye wala? And this video is how it is you are doing, and this is doing how. She is very much interactive for me, each and every design what I am making. And guys, it is difficult. It's 100% difficult to start your own at a small age and planning everybody, and especially from the people who know before me. They know me like I am from Kerala, and I am from a place which nobody knows the handworks, the karigas we can't get in anywhere in Kerala. And I searched for no karigas for Garima also, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I just searched in all India for my persons who want to know the Ari works, and I got the people. And currently, I have 11 employees and one production unit, and managing all of them is very difficult with their language, with their food, and with their culture and my designs. Like I'm just like blah 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 boo boo yeah blah boo. Like I used to use a lot of
Something
language
like this.
which
Yeah.
nobody don't know about it. So and my journey is very difficult and very different from all of you over there, because you guys are very much into your language, Hindi and everything, and I am from Kerala and I am a different language person, and I am in the least part of India, nearby Kanyakumari in Trivandrum, a small city, and I came to Delhi for studying fashion designing. Then you guys can understand how much I struggled for became a designer from over here to coming there and doing everything. So no excuses are like welcoming into Gulbash ma'am or Sunita ma'am, nobody. No excuses. Even if I can do this, if I can do this much, nobody have no excuse at all. I didn't even know which class, which language I'm speaking, what is going on in my friend. And I'm coming to college and I'm just fear, wait, what they're speaking, huh? Okay. Like that much tension, and I'm confidently right now in front of you and telling everything about my business, about my study. Then it's only of International College of Fashion. Okay, without that college, I never knew about this much people around me, this much culture around me. Yeah, I I will study all of that, but that presence of other culture or other differences, other people, other friends, Okay, so it's like studying in college is something different, guys, and please enjoy it. Mainly, what is that? We can push, or otherwise, we can pull a hose nearby one pond. Okay, but we can't push them to drink the water. Okay, so the drinking the water is up to you. Gulbash ma'am, Sunita ma'am, anybody, everybody can push you nearby your information, nearby everything, but what you are learning is in your hand. What you are grabbing from them is in your hand. So that is my journey, and it's quite different. It's quite difficult. So after everybody, after all of this, I can explain how it came, how I just came to there, and how I started my own. How I'm going, everything. Okay.
Yeah, and how you learned Hindi.
Mera Hindi is like what will I sambar, like थोड़ा सा मलयालम, थोड़ा सा तमिल, थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश, थोड़ा सा हिंदी, पूरा डाल के पूरा I just mixed everything. And if you guys are hearing my Hindi, it's like you are thinking इतना बुरा Hindi. Are you mad?
No,
You
no,
guys-
we're not thinking that at all. Diversity has always been a very big part of ICF. Like, even in my class, there were so many students from different cultures and everything. And I think we were super glad about it that
Of
it
course,
was.
of course. Of course, people are excited. हाँ, उस
And
side
it's
पे
fun
ये
pulling
मिलेगा ना?
legs.
Yes, side पे ये मिलेगा ना? Like, and Gulgash man know one Malayalam word, and sometimes she used to tell that word. What is it, ma'am?
Malayali, kurchu kurchu mansalai.
Mansalaya.
That's one sentence I know.
Mansalaya means, can you understand?
Mansalai is so Mansalai is I understand very little Malayali. Huh?
Yes.
Kurchu
Yes.
kurchu is very little.
Koshi means
Mansalai is to understand.
to understand.
So much I
So,
understood.
I'm pretty different over there, and I enjoyed it actually. So some differences are very important in our life. We can't deny the differences, and we should enjoy our classmates, our friendship, and moreover, don't be a full time that what we'll padipist. What we will say that na that eating book and doing the work. Eating
Bookworm.
book,
Bookworm.
don't.
Yeah, just
of
don't
course,
be a
don't do that.
bookworm, have
You just
fun, go
do
outside.
whatever
That's why
you
we
do.
don't give you books.
Not even be bookworm if we want. There's so much practical things to do.
Yes, go
course.
out. There is so much live you can see and learn apart from the book. Like book are
Yes.
very limited in that sense.
Yes. So you have to practice everything. Everything in front of eyes, you have to grab it, everything, each and everything. Your friendship, you're going by metro or you're going by auto rickshaw, whatever it is, just grab it, everything, the trees, that sky, in your people and food, everything is important, everything. So finding every ideas from everywhere is very important. So I think you guys can crack it. And I just can help it for that.
How sweet. Okay, let's get to Garima now. Garima, tell us.
Hi guys, I'm Garima. I've just started my own label. It's more like a brand, not a label. It's Gimissio. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I've just started with Gimissio. Iski story, it's like totally different. I never really thought ki aise I'll start a brand and like main Gulbash ma'am ka role hai. Like college has played a really important role, but I'd personally thank her for that. She gave me an opportunity and wahan se I actually got to know ki haan theek hai, is side mera interest zyada hai, like I'm more into denims. So Gimissio is a brand which is everything about denims, be it even like anything, any part of clothing, any footwear, any handbags, just everything denim. So that's Gimissio. I started this thing like this Gimissio on my own, but right now I'm a team. Gimissio is a team of like 10 to 12 people right now. People right now, yeah. I'll just give a, like I'll just tell a short story. Kaise start hua. It's really weird. I was totally off track. I was really slow with my work at that point of time. not always, but then at that point of time. So मैं काफी lazy हो रही थी opportunities को लेके भी, and then Gulbash ma'am ने मुझे एक opportunity दी, and it was like I had to work as a designer with Daler Mehndi, and he wanted an all denim collection, men, women, and unisex collection for like all denim. So she really pushed me towards it. You know, you should just try. Like, 'cause, I mean, you knew that I had a potential. So yeah, that is how it all started. And I never really thought that I'm gonna start Demisio essay. You know, like I have always thought of fine, I want to be a designer. So chalo fashion designing karte hain. But then, you know, when you really are at an initial stage कि हाँ मुझे designer बनना है, you're mainly like, you know, ठीक है डिजाइनर बनना है, सबसे पहले माइंड में एक ही चीज आती है, I'll design dresses and you know I'll design essays, mainly traditional and you know like a little bit designer stuff, but then you know like more into traditional. Easily ये चीज इतना माइंड में नहीं आते हैं, इतना आपको ऑप्शंस पता नहीं होते हैं, आपके ऑप्शंस इतने वाइड नहीं होते हैं उस टाइम पे कि हाँ ठीक है हमारे पास ये भी ऑप्शन है. You know when you pursue a fashion career, there's more to it, like not just being a designer, there's a lot more to it. You can be a fashion designer, you can be a fashion consultant, you can be a fashion stylist, you can you know run your own brand, which can actually like truly have a lot of variety of collections, you know, be it traditional, haute couture, and some luxury collection, you know, like luxury prep or maybe casual collection. So yeah. Just
So good. So Rishabh sir, let's hear your story.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, so my name is Rishabh. Rest Gulbash ma'am already introduced myself that I work with Aza. I started as a merchandiser there and got promoted twice. And I have done so good work in Aza. After that, I've started my own business. My brand, this brand I have started with 3 partners. We all are specialized in different fields, and like it's been 1 year, it's less than 1 year, so I have picked up also, but not that much, but I am trying to pick up more and more. And now I'm working on other brand also, which is an online multi-designer store that I'm collaborating with all multiple designers from the industry, like who's like जिनसे भी मेरा repo अच्छा है designer से from the industry. So I am collaborating with them and opening my e-commerce website also to sell their product. And yeah.
Oh, you have
so many-
Gopika.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh, you have Gopika and you have Garima right away who can
Yes.
coordinate with you.
So I will.
And then
check.
you can talk to Prithvi also. Maybe he
Yes,
can.
hi
figure
Prithvi.
it.
Rishabh, my
So-
mom misses you very much. She
Aw.
always tells me, she's like,
Okay, I
Rishabh
will
was
come, I
such
will
a
come.
sweet kid. Rishabh was such a
Me
sweet
too.
kid. Like, अपने बच्चे पे ध्यान दे लो मम्मी.
वो तुम्हारा
Me-
हमेशा का प्रॉब्लम है बच्चे, वो तो forget it.
So yeah,
Sorry,
that's
yeah.
how. And Gulbash ma'am also helped me before I started my brand. I had a conversation with her like, how do I start my brand? So she helped me a lot. And like I got the job when I really need money. You know, money matter a lot. Experience, money, and everything. So that's how ICF gave me so many things.
Okay, I will like to add here.
Yes.
Again, this is your hard work.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you are the one who is outside working and giving in your best, and that's what is taking you further. So
Yes, ma'am.
I will
Thank
give that credit to all of you right here, because I really I'm proud of you, and I think you know, I cannot even express how nice it feels when I talk to people around your work and then they come back and tell us that, oh, you know what, this one's really working hard, this one's really doing a good job, and you know, you're successful. So it's like, you know, if you're successful, I feel like a proud parent and feel, oh, this is what I wanted to see you guys to grow. Anyway, so So I have a couple of questions. I'm in the audience also. If you guys have any questions that you would like to ask, because it's always a good idea before you actually, even think about considering a place. It's a good idea to speak with the alumni there and get their experiences. I have a couple of questions which had come to me prior to this, and I think I'll just throw these questions to you guys and see what who would like to answer that. And in the meantime, if you guys have any other questions, um, tell us. Okay, so there is one question that just popped up. Somebody's asking me what is the difference between a master's and a BBA. So the BBA guys, there are 4 BBAs and there is 1 master. So would you like to comment on this? Juhi, would you like to comment on this for BBA? And Gopika, of course, you're the only one for masters. Yes, Juhi, you can
Yeah,
start.
okay. So the course curriculum for BBA is, I can say, a little more detailed because that is a bachelor's degree, the first degree that you do when you come into graduation thing. And your master is more of a specialized degree. So in BBA, you get, obviously you are taught everything in both BBA and MBA, but BBA is basically where you're first introduced to the industry or the different fields, different things that you can do, and you are taught different subjects. In masters, you do have different subjects still, but you are more focused on, more focused on your particular interest areas. I can say that, yes,
Yeah,
specialization.
Yeah. So you have to, yeah, Gopika, would you want to say something because you've been
It's like I
a
did
master's
my
student.
MBA in I did my MBA in ICF, and it's like more specified and like you have to pick up everything very fastly. That's the difference of BBA and MBA. Gulbash ma'am knows that. Actually, we don't have any time to check whether it's going with me or not. You have to pick it up very fastly. That's the point. That's the biggest difference of BBA and MBA. Like the things which we are studying in both sides are very like almost the same, but the thing is the picking up and the more concentration. We are more concentrated on marketing more and more how to implement one design on in the market way. All those things is under in MBA. BBA is more into
And your business plans that you have to be very specific.
specific
At a
on
Right.
business
BBA,
plan.
at a BBA level, we give them, options
Flexible.
on, they're flexible on their business plans, and then
Yeah.
they can take their time to decide.
And they have time.
Masters, they have time to decide.
They have time. They are deep into what how to make a dress and how to make everything arrangingly, and they have everything step by step. But for MBA it's not at all like that. It's for more concentrated on your career. It's like how to build your business. That's the MBA. That's the difference. Main difference is this. So you have to find which one is better for you. And ma'am, one more thing. Please tell our students to introduce themselves. I don't know anybody.
Okay, there's many of them. So
Okay.
we're very
Like
short on time. We will introduce you to the students in
Okay, ma'am.
another session. Okay. Okay. So I want to just put up one question. So for somebody who's working with somebody, so like Prithvi is working as an assistant designer, Juhi is working as a merchandiser in a buying house, and Rishabh is doing both, and Gopika and Garima have started their own. So what is your typical day like? What do you do the whole day? What is your everyday work and things like that? So as as an assistant designer, Prithvi, what do you get to do the whole day? What's your day like at work? You're on mute, Prithvi.
Sorry, everyone. So basically, when you study about being an assistant designer, it has a lot about, as of the creative side of the field. Like, you design, you provide your samples, and then after that, you, whatever your boss says or whatever, whoever the person next to you in like hierarchy, whatever they approve or not approve, But when it comes down to the industry, especially for a new brand, since when I joined Glee, it was a fairly new brand, it accumulates a lot of things. Like you cannot only work in one part of the field. I had to do paperwork also. I had to do a little bit of merchandising also. And when big orders come, one of the major perks of working with a new brand is you learn a lot, because since it's a new brand, you don't have a lot of people to divide the workload. And since the workload is going to be there, no matter if it's a new brand or not a new brand, the workload is going to be there, and you have to work at every process of the field. You have to, from sampling to production, you have to deal with master G's and everything, and then you have to take care of the delivery also. You have to take care of the invoices also, and when the big orders come, it becomes more difficult. So for me, when I joined, it was majorly into paperwork. Like I started as an intern with Anjana ma'am, and I did a lot of paperwork. I handled a lot of lookbooks, and I handled a lot of invoices and a lot of billing and everything. And I am glad to have learned all of that, because I was a very, very rebellious about that. I don't want to work in that. I don't want to work in consultation and stuff. And when I got into this job, and I was like, oh yeah, why karna pad raha hai? So I did it, and then things got better. When the first fashion show came, I was like just 1 month after I joined, the first fashion show came, and like complete responsibility of footwear went down on me, because the head designer was completely occupied with the clothing and everything, and I was completely the sole in charge of the footwear. And I am like glad about that I pulled it off, because it was so difficult, and I would not have been able to pull it off if I did not do as much research I did when I was in college. Like market research was one of the major things that we had to do for every subject. Every teacher would go tell us, go into the market, search this, make contacts. And half of those contacts came into work when I was given the whole responsibility, because I was super scared. And that happened, the fashion show happened, and it was a good thing that, after that particular incident, my boss started trusting me more, that, yeah, she can do it. Then I got more creative works into it. I had the job of designing a lot of samples for my boss. And since she already has her own brand differently established by the name of Anjana Bhargav, I do a lot of illustration for that brand also. I do a lot of sketching and a lot of conceptualizing for that brand, because people give orders to her from London and stuff, and they have a particular body type, and they have a particular, sense of style and stuff, and they want one particular thing, and we have to mix it all. They'll give us, what they want. They'll give us, explain us however they want. Like they can give us mood boards and stuff, and then I personally make that into sketches. I would add the embroidery, and I would get into, different colors and everything. That happens a lot. I do a lot of conceptualization. And for the brand, whenever a new season is like close, or like the fashion show is closed, I design for that as well. I handle a lot of production for off sampling. As an assistant designer, I have to. I deal with a lot of master Gs, and I deal with a lot of karigars and a lot of embroidery people and stuff. And then I this is the favorite part of my job. I handle a lot of photo shoots. I love doing those. I enjoy doing those, because since I am a part of the process, even if I'm not the main designer, I'm still a part of the process very, very majorly. I know how everything is supposed to look. I know how everything is, it has to look, how the photos has to come out. So I have to deal with models, I have to deal with photographers, makeup artists, I have to search looks for that, I have to search how the whole collection is supposed to look, how the whole collection, like what's the theme of that collection and everything. This is something that after coming in college, we realize that, not inspiration is not always going to come before you design a collection, sometimes it comes after. And sometimes my major part of my job is to search for that inspiration, that this collection has been designed, and where did it inspire from. And then I do that, and then I handle the photo shoots, I choreograph the photo shoots. I think that's what majorly my days or months look like.
Too much work.
Too much.
But
I love it.
Yeah, so this reminds me, I'm waiting for my pair of that footwear that you have done. I still
Ma'am, I
haven't.
forgot your shoe size.
Never mind. I will tell it to you later.
Yes,
So, Juhi,
but,
tell us about your typical day at work.
So I'll just give a brief background about merchandising before starting what my day looks like. So it is a two-part job. First part is getting the design done and the sample made, which is the initial part of it. And the second part is getting the order and getting into production. So right now I handle 4 brands, which are based in US, all 4 of them. And I have around 34 vendor base that I manage. So what I do in my day is, I can say I'm the face the brands know. So I am their contact person. So here I am coordinating with factories on development, on production, following up on production. Once the samples are made, I have to review them. I have to give approval. I have to make sure that the color matches exactly to the standard that Bayer have provided. I have to match the artwork. Apart from that, there are multiple department that I work with. There are logistic, there is quality department, there is testing department. I have to kind of bridge between them and give the result to the buyer. Apart from that, there are a lot of buyer calls that happens every day. I was a person who was very shy on getting even on an audio call. I never liked it, but right now my phone rings the entire day. I'm on call all the time. So tasking is one thing that is very important for merchandising. Apart from that, I also have to plan for business. What I'm doing currently, what I'm going to do next. For example, I have met a certain target. I have met, say, $5 million was my current year business. How will I expand that? What are the product categories that I'm going to introduce? That is one big part of my business that I have to work on every day. And I did, designing in apparel in ICF, but when I started working, I was given opportunity to work for home textiles, which is like a very broad category. And self-learning is a big part here, because no one will stop and teach you. When you once start working, no one will stop and teach you, okay, this is the product, this is how it is made. You have to go to factory, you have to sit on the production floor, you have to see how things are done, how weaving is done, how every step is done, and that final product is made. And not only textiles, right now I'm doing a lot of home furnishing also, metal, wood, glass. I am pretty much doing everything right now. So a lot of self-learning is involved in it, a lot of good managing skill that obviously everyone evolve eventually once they start working. Managing things is a big part, because there are so many things. There are vendors, there are internal team, there are buyer who are shouting on your head to get things done. It is like a multitasking thing, and you really have to be really good in managing to get the thing done.
Wow.
So that is pretty much what I do.
This sounds like so much work.
Yes.
तुम लोग की बातें सुन के I'm feeling as if, but I'm glad it's actually a good thing. It's a challenge when you're working in the industry. Like what Prithvi said, if you take up that challenge and you start, proving yourselves, there's no looking back on this. And Rigbari, fortunately you guys have had good bosses. But Rishabh will be able to probably tell me one of the other stores, the managers is not very interesting, and she's had a very track record of being strict with the newcomers. And I've had some experiences there, and I always tell them, if your first job gets you the worst boss, you will never fail in your life. You will succeed like anything.
Yes,
What do you say, Rishabh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That I also experienced that thing in Aza. So yeah, that thing. So now everything is fine because I am handling most of the thing. It's been 3 years, and so I will tell my three things which I am performing right now. So it's in Aza as a merchandiser, and my brand and my other brand. So in Aza as a merchandiser,
हाँ तो तुम तीनों में तीनों जगह पे you're playing different roles. You're on a different side of the table हर जगह पे.
and
तो
it's like
एक अज़ा पे आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहता है और vis-a-vis उधर का क्या एज अ बिजनेस ओनर आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहता है? हाउ डू यू थिंक यू हैंडल ऑल ऑफ दैट? कैसे लगता है आपको?
So yeah, it's tough to handle all three things together, and nowadays I'm trying to balance all these things, but it's difficult. It's quite difficult, you know. So in Aza, I have to handle all client orders and alterations. I have to see the whole store layout, like, and we have to like do a promo weekly, and um, we have to search new designers on a daily basis and according to the client need, and we have to make creative looks for the store which we can post on our Instagrams, and taking care of merchandise, taking care of all stock, and store layout, everything, like, and what can I say more? So in Aza, so many things I do, and now because of Aza, I have started my business because I want to collaborate with other multi-designer stores. So I have started my brand, and I have collaborated already with 3 multi-designer stores. One is Kanyadan multi-designer store, one is Vyom in Mumbai, and there is one more, Gyan's store, which is in GK. So these 3 multi-designers, I am like, um, how can I say, like, so, and with my online multi-designer store, so I am collaborating with designers who are like new emerging designers, so that we can do business with them, and I can also promote them, and my website will be live on 15th or max by 16th. So it is a difficult part to, like, you know, perform all these 3 things, and everything is different. Here in my online multi-designer store, I have to search designers for my website, and for my brand I have to search multi-designer stores जिनके साथ मैं अपना business कर सकूं. So all these 3 things are different, and it's really tough to, like, you know, मैंने अभी किसी भी friends को नहीं बताया है because I'm doing little secretly, because yeah. अभी तो मैंने बता दिया जूही और पृथ्वी को, कोई नहीं, तो yeah.
All right. So what time do you get up in the morning? आपका दिन कितने बजे शुरू होता है और खत्म कितने बजे होता है?
I'm around 7 I wake up.
और
and खत्म तो नहीं होता, like around 2 a.m. Like it's tough for me because 10 to 8 is my job, and in that time also मैं थोड़ा काम करता रहता हूँ बीच में. After that I have to come home and like make few Instagram posts and calling clients also, my personal clients, and making invites and all these things.
ये जूही का सबसे अच्छा है ना टाइमलाइन डे का? Your day, Juhi, this day starts and ends when?
It starts at 8. The official time is 5, but right now I'm working till like 1 in the night. But in usual, it is not that much. Work from home has actually extended the work timeline a lot. There is too much work right now. But usually it is like,
but otherwise,
right.
Yeah.
It is like morning 8. That's the time when the office starts, and it's like maximum 6 in the evening.
Yeah, and
pretty
then
much
Saturday,
depend how
Sunday
quickly it can work. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday chutti.
Yeah, look at Prithvi's reaction. Prithvi, what is your typical day timing?
She has छुट्टी. मुझे तो याद ही नहीं मैं last time छुट्टी कब ली थी.
कॉलेज में बहुत सारी. मैं याद दिलाती हूँ ना.
मैं आती थी, मैं तो आती थी. But like
नीता मैं वहाँ पे बता दूंगी तुम्हें कितनी छुट्टी लेती थी.
I don't have a official timeline. For me, my like work starts around like 9. And then it depends on the kind of work I do. Like I have to stay there for minimum like till 5. But I do a lot of work from home. Even before the pandemic, I did a lot of work from home because Anjana ma'am's daughter, Ankita Bhargav, she's based out of Boston. So a lot of my work happens with her and like in her assistant.
Time zone का फर्क हो जाता है.
Yeah. So whenever she has sent me emails at 3 in the night, and even though she does not expect replies to those, I feel guilty if I don't reply. Like I want to do it. I like to do it. The more the work, the better I feel.
I
about
am
it.
glad to hear this. For some reason, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो रही है ये सब सुन के. Okay, so Gopika, what's your typical day like?
My typical day, I'll show like don't
She's,
don't
she's showing it also, like visual she's giving. Hanji.
yeah,
I think
but
she's got
so sorry
scared and
for being
left.
too much clumsy. My day is like this. My day starts like this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, like this.
ये
This
typical
simple
garage home
things
startup.
are here, and like I don't have a particular time. Sometimes I go. I'm just sleeping between all these things. I used to sleep between like all these things, and like this, like
I feel
you
like
can't
shifting in with
understand
you.
how much I am. Yeah, everything like yeah, I have one production unit, but I can't go there because it's lockdown. And right now in Kerala it's raining, and I'll show it. This is my Kerala, and this is my flat. Okay,
How beautiful is that?
okay.
This
So
is
this
my
is our
Kerala.
typical home. This is my Hamara typical homes are like this. Like okay, these are going over here, and this jackfruit tree, and this is banana, and all these things. Okay, too much greenery hota hai idhar, and so I can't go
Oh
to my
my God.
production unit. Huh. So yeah, then the thing is, it's how it's different from the atmosphere. It's important, like हमारा culture भी different है. Okay, so the thing is, हमारा fashion industry is also very different. So cracking that fashion industry and inside pushing into inside that industry is little difficult. My whole day is going like embroidery, new ideas, and clients, and cooking, and everything. Each and every timing is very important. And some people are messaging me, "Are Gobi, you lockdown hai na? Are you free na? You are very free sitting on home." Not at all like that. It's like 24 into 7. I'm working
Yes,
and
so this
working
is
behind my
something
brand.
that, yeah, this is something that I guess everybody should know, that if you're starting your own business, there is no chutti and there is no timing. It's a 24/7 work.
There is not at all leave. There is no like we can't take any leave actually. Each
हाँ,
and every
क्योंकि
time is very
यहाँ पे
important.
फिर
And
टाइमिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, और प्लस हमें छोड़ना नहीं है क्योंकि हमारा ही बिजनेस है, हमारा ही नुकसान होगा. सो
हमारा है, yes, yes.
that's one
And
thing.
and being and the thing is marketing also right now everything in social media. So
Correct.
finding the clients and finding the one Instagram post, or finding the ad, or finding the photographer, finding the videographer, each and everything is done by me. I'm the only one person running for everything, from marketing, from for editing, for karigar works. Sometimes I don't want to do with them. Okay, there is Aslam ji, he is very nice, he is from Kolkata. He used to do with his own crew what I have to, what I'm saying he will do. But the thing is, sometimes we have to study, could say we have to study, then only we can insist them. Or otherwise I don't know about Ari works and I am suddenly going to them, do this. That's a boss, that's not the owner, that's not the designer. So we have to be with them, we have to very nice on them, we have to tell, Baya, I need this
Baya?
design. Like so we have to study, and sometimes we have to do some things in our own ways. We can't push anybody into do the work, do this work
Right.
for me. How much we are giving the money, it's not important. It's about the interest what we are making. So mera one day is going like like this, like
Flies.
udega 5 6 okay 6 o'clock
Udega.
or 17 hours it's working, like It's sometimes RE work, sometimes business meetings, sometimes clients, sometimes marriage people who want wedding works. I know it's too much windy over here. It's because too much rain is over here. Like too much rain. Too
So
much
tell me, so Gopika, 1 second. Garima, you are also on the same platform that it's your job. So I'm assuming your day also typically goes the same way. सुबह से
Yes, ma'am.
लेके शाम तक सिर्फ हम ये कर रहे हैं. So tell me, how relevant was your learning at ICF to what you're doing? And it's open to everybody, this question, but let me start with Garima. What is, I mean, what you're doing right now, उसकी आपका study college में कितना relevance है in the real world that you are in, actual scenarios?
स्टार्टिंग से ये तो था कि ठीक है, आई वांट टू बी अ डिजाइनर, पता था कि हाँ ठीक है ड्राइंग अच्छी है, बट देन वहीं तक एक माइंडसेट था कि हाँ ठीक है ड्राइंग अच्छी है, इंटरेस्ट है, कर लेंगे. बट देन जब तक हम अपनी जो स्किल्स हैं उनको ग्रूमिंग की काफी ज्यादा नीड होती है, लाइक कंस्ट्रक्शन, इलस्ट्रेशन वर्क, कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कितना कुछ है. कॉलेज में आने से पहले ना कभी ये चीजें पता भी नहीं थी. इट वाज दैट कि हाँ ऐसे डिजाइन बनता है. छोटे होते अपनी भाभी की ड्रेसेस बना लेती थी तो ये था कि हाँ ऐसे बनती है, बट एक्चुअली उसके पीछे का जो मेन वर्क है ना वो चीज कभी पता नहीं थी. जो like every little thing plays an important role. Beat okay, so अगर suppose if just an example, if we make a garment, उसमें कितना सारा काम होता है. अगर मैं कॉलेज आने से पहले जो मेरा एक माइंडसेट था कि हाँ ठीक है ये बनाना है, फैब्रिक लिया, टेलर को दिया, ऐसे कुछ उसको बता दिया, समझा दिया, पिक्चर दिखा दी कि ऐसा है, उसको विजुअली ना वो चीज एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं कर पाते थे अच्छे से. तो okay, so suppose if we make a garment, उसमें there's hell lot of work to do. आपको color trends क्या चल रहे हैं, silhouette क्या चल रहा है. If we make something, something really into trend and something latest, the silhouettes, color patterns क्या in trend है, and okay, I'm a little confused. I'm really sorry. Like मेरे पास काफी कुछ है बोलने को, but then I'm just mixing up the words right now.
Okay, anybody else wants to take this up since she's lost words for it?
Yes. So my experience that I learned from ICF and that helped me in the industry, actually the subject merchandising, it helped me a lot. I was already clear what merchandising is, how the industry works. So just starting ke 2-3 mahine hote where people catch, okay, how things are done, how industry moves, everything like that. I was already clear on that. So I picked up really fast. So that is one thing that helped me a lot, actually helped me a lot, the merchandising part.
Right. Yes, Prithvi, what were you saying?
I lost my train of thought.
No, okay. Okay, then let me get you another question.
Okay.
What made you come to ICF?
Ma'am?
What made you come to ICF? When you chose for a college, what made you choose ICF?
Okay. So as a kid, when I started, like I wanted to be a designer since I was in 8th class. Like I had that set in my mind that, okay, this is who I'm going to become. And luckily, my school had these subjects. I had fashion studies as a subject in 11th and 12th, and which like really helped, and which gave me an insight about what we actually study, because a lot of what I studied in school was elaborated in college for me. So when I started searching for colleges, obviously, like every other fashion student, NIFT was one of the first choices that I wanted to go to. And I think I had this conversation with Gulbash from the first time I met her. Like NIFT is the best. And Gulbash was like, why is it best? Do you know what's happening inside? You don't know anything about it yet. And that is what struck me. Like that was one of my first introductions to ICF. I looked into colleges, different colleges. I was in a coaching for NIFT entrance, and they introduced us to different colleges. And so when I looked into NIF, like ICF, I started reading about the curriculum. I started reading about, what are we studying, and I started reading a lot of reading about what I want to do, about what I want to study, and where does my strength lie. And I think that is what I think attracted me to ICF. That okay, I want to study these subjects. The more I read about it, the more interested I got. The more I was like, okay, yeah, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to study, and this is nice. This is like nice way of studying. I won't be like into books and stuff. Like everyone says, you don't be a bookworm, but I was a bookworm in school. I was like too much, learning everything from books. But then in ICF, I got into ICF and I was like, okay, now this is practically hoga. I will have no books, and I'll have to learn everything. I have to like feed everything into my brain, and that seemed like a challenge, and it really was a challenge. But that was one of the major things that like got me into ICF. The curriculum, the course that we were studying, the subjects that we studied, how extensive the courses was, how extensive everything was, like even the extracurricular subjects which we feel that we don't need, like for example photography was one of our subjects for us. And you feel this moment when you feel that we can hire photographers from outside and we can do this, we can do that. But when I got out in the industry and I started working, I thank God every day that I know a little bit of photography to begin with. Because like Dilwasham says, I was always a rebellious kid, and I was always, ye chahiye to aise hi chahiye. And now when I go out, because I know things, now I can fight, on facts, that I know how it is done. Even with Master G's and, even with Tarikers and everything, when I have a fight, I know what I'm fighting about because I've learned it. I've put my effort into it. I have that information feed into my brain. And the practical knowledge you never forget. Like you might forget what you read in a book, like a month down the lane, a year down the lane, but with things that you learned from your own hand, things that you've seen and learned, you are never going to forget that. It is going like on and on with your life. It's never going out. That's one of the best things about
Tell
ICF.
me one thing. How has your experiences of participations in fashion weeks helped you in your fashion shows? That should be an interesting thing.
My fashion shows? Okay, yeah. So I got into ushering very, very soon. Like the second month after college, I was hired as an usher, which is an interesting story altogether because of my name. But I was hired, and the first view of it was, oh my god, everything's so luxurious. Oh my god, everything is so so shiny, so bright. People are so like good looking, and people are so smartly dressed, and you feel really odd dressed in the complete black because you're an usher. And by the time the fashion week ends, and everything is done, you start to contemplate everything. You start to focus because you miss it. It was such a good time. It is such a good time, you miss it. And the more you miss it, the more you contemplate it, the more you feel okay, this happened that time, हमने वो notice नहीं करा. And you see all these little things. And when I joined I got a chance to be in a fashion week almost एकदम join करते ही. And I already knew how everything is done. I was the one, who was helping my ma'am. Okay. So, like for example, PR packages. PR packages were a very big deal for us ushers because we had to redistribute it. We had to, learn every seat number by heart, and there are 300 seats. So, sorry, 900 seats. So you cannot like miss out on it, and you have to learn it. And when this thing happened, I had to, learn about PR packages. And when my brand had to like give out PR packages, I knew everything there was to know. I knew every seat number. I knew where a buyer sitting. I knew where an organizer sitting. I knew where a sponsor sitting, where a media person sitting. And it was for every question, because since Anjana ma'am is on board, she can just ask anyone. Like she has a whole team from FDCI to ask these questions. And she was so proud of me that she did not have to make one single call because I knew everything. I asked her 2 times, and I think once backstage, and it was.
I think good.
Okay, so Garima, where are you? Garima ने FDCI में जब usher किया था, so I remember she did not get into ushering. So she directly got to work under FDCI only. Garima, right? कहाँ गई है ये? Garima is missing. Never mind. So she actually started working with FDCI only, and not as the team at the Fashion Week. She worked with the team backend, and she had to handle all the buyers, to where to put them up, कहाँ पे क्या करना है. Right, Garima? That's what you did, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने वहीं पे ही शुरू किया था. आपने FDCI के बैकएंड पे ही काम किया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
या ये भी बड़ी खुश थी वहां पे काम करके. भागती आई थी, उन्होंने मुझे ये वाला काम दिया है, ऐसे करो भाई, बिकॉज वो एक कांटेक्ट बिल्डिंग हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपको सब बायर्स के बारे में पता है, कहाँ से कौन
Exactly.
क्या है ना.
But then workload काफी ज्यादा था. It's like पता नहीं चलता था 12 कब बज रही है, 2 कब बज रही है रात के. फैशन वीक स्टार्ट हो गया है, रात को 3 बजे हमारा खत्म हो रहा है और 8 बजे पता है वहां पहुंचना है. They don't care आप सोए हो नहीं सोए, क्या है क्या नहीं, आपको पहुंचना है. Buyers हैं उनको, you know, you have to send those emails, you need to keep a check कि कहाँ पर वो क्या order place कर रहे हैं, because you know buyers usually try कि वो designers के साथ direct deal कर ले. I mean पृथ्वी don't mind, but buyers ही try करते हैं.
ये इंटरनल राइवलरीज ही हो रही है. Okay,
Exactly.
so okay,
I made some very good friends in the back end. Like when I was working for the I made some really good friends. And I missed you. I wish you were there.
अच्छा, अब मेरे को एक बात बताओ. क्विक क्वेश्चन. आपको ICF में as ICF, as your college, as your campus, as your experience in college, सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगी और सबसे बुरी क्या लगी? ये दो चीजें बताओ. तो कौन शुरू करेगा? ये सबके लिए है.
I think बुरी का आंसर तो सबके पास ही है कि थोड़े क्लासरूम बड़े होते तो अच्छा होता.
बट उससे हैम्पर तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. तुम्हारी लर्निंग में हैम्पर थोड़ी होता है इससे.
लर्निंग में हैम्पर नहीं हुआ, बट इट्स
हाँ, तुम्हारी मस्ती में, हाँ तुम्हारी मस्ती में
कॉलेज
hamper
एक्सपीरियंस.
जरूर. हाँ,
मैम आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ अ कॉलेज.
But the best part was, you know, like kitne bhi questions. So I was the one who used to ask like tons of questions about everything, like about every fabric, every resource, every.
तुम अभी भी पूछती हो.
Yes, still. But then you know the best part was like आप लोग के पास 10 बार आओ, 50 बार आओ, like you know, like even like bit of questions, like any question, like they'd never ignore you. Like ये चीज best थी. Like you people, you never ignore us. Like कुछ भी question हुआ ना, like 1000 बार पूछ लो. If you know that we're working ना, तो you will be like all happy. आप 1000 बार वो questions को answer कर दोगे. But then you know, like this was the best part that I loved about the college.
Definitely. I have freaked out and gone to several teachers at night, and I remember that. I remember Gulbashan telling me, stop freaking out, you'll figure something out.
ये तुम्हारे तरंग वाले फैशन शो की बात कर रही हो.
Exactly.
True.
मेरे
Tell us.
मेरे साथ अभी भी ये हुआ था रिसेंटली जब मैंने गुलबाश मैम से बात करी. आई लिटरली कॉल्ड यू, लाइक आप कहीं बिजी थे एंड जब मैं अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रही थी, कलेक्शन के सैंपल्स बनते जा रहे हैं, बट देन आई वाज फ्रीकिंग आउट, पता नहीं बिकेगा नहीं बिकेगा. लाइक ट्रेंड्स के अकॉर्डिंग सब कुछ कर लिया, बट देन यू नो एक ये होता है ना, सिंस 3 इयर्स एक हैबिट होती है कि यू नो आप सब कर तो लो, बट देन यू नीड एन अप्रूवल. तो उसके लिए आई यूज्ड टू कम टू गुलबाश मैम की मैम प्लीज एक बार देख लो कि अच्छा एक बार बता दो कि हाँ ठीक है ना, कोई कमी तो नहीं है, क्योंकि यू यूज्ड टू टेल एवरीथिंग कि कहाँ कमी है, तो उस चीज को हम लोग ऑब्वियसली पहले इम्प्रूव कर लेते होते थे. इतना मतलब कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी, सब कर तो लिया, बट देन आई वाजंट श्योर कि क्या करूं हो तो क्या है, बट आई स्टिल नीड दैट अप्रूवल कि ठीक किया है ना मैंने, पता हो कि हाँ एक शांति मिल जाती है, हाँ काम ठीक है, अप्रूवल मिल गया है. तो ये था, and this was the best thing. And I still need those approvals. I'm still gonna, मैं आपको सिर्फ अभी भी खाने वाली.
का approval trumps everything. Feeling once Gulbasha was approved, like okay, done. It's fine. It's all fine. Stop feeling it.
Literally.
Anyway, so much about me. Yes, Juhi.
Okay, so one of the things that I really liked was the preparation process of our jury round. The working that we are doing at back end. Okay, अच्छा भी inspiration लेनी है अभी, at least 50 sketch बनाने हैं, वही चीज approval लेना है पहले before you get into the
130 यार.
130 actually.
तो हम लोग थोड़े improve हो गए हैं, हम अब 200 sketches, 250 sketches पे आ गए.
Thank God, वो 130 आज की डेट में कम लगते हैं, थोड़े से और बना लेते हैं हम,
है ना? Okay. Sorry, Hanji Juhi.
And the one thing I didn't like at that time is something related that once or twice we were given this task of making 300 croquis overnight. These were flat sketch, and I was so panicking. Itni croquis banane ki kya zarurat hai? We can't perfect it in one night. But actually, if I see the croquis that I used to make at that time, और जो मैं अभी बनाती हूँ, there is so much improvement. And
वो 300 की वजह से ही है.
exactly.
हाँ, क्योंकि
उस
आपको
टाइम पे
वहाँ
लगता है हाँ
नहीं, क्योंकि इनफैक्ट पृथ्वी ये बैक करेगी कि आपको जब बैठ के बनाने हैं तो आपको बहुत सारे बनाने पड़ते हैं एंड यू कांट टेक एजेस कि मैं एक रोबोट इतना टाइम लगा के बनाना चाहूंगा.
राइट उस टाइम पे बहुत बड़ा टास्क लगता था, बट नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू practice that much to have that perfection that we have now.
Right. Gopika.
अब वो प्रैक्टिस कम लगती है, अब लगता है थोड़ी सी और प्रैक्टिस
और जाती है. चलो इस वाले बैच को हम 400 कर देंगे. बोनस ऑन पृथ्वी. अब जिसको मारना है पृथ्वी को आके मारेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं. I'll give them all the nice speeches.
On Prithvi.
I know पृथ्वी. जी Gopika.
Yeah, mine is like perfect lectures for perfect subjects. That's the best thing in International College of Fashion. Like you can't miss Bharti Mishra ma'am, you can't miss Narendra sir, you can't miss Vinod Kaul sir. They are the pros. What they are teaching. That's very important thing. And it's the best thing ever I got from International College of Fashion. And the worst thing, that's a campus. That's the thing. Small classroom, and sometimes like, oh yaar, itna chote hai, kya karu main, kidhar sit. Like sometimes I just felt like that. That's the only thing I'm just felt bura. Rest everything is fine and perfectly. I used to call Bharti Mishra ma'am. I used to message Narendra sir. I used to message Sunita ma'am. I used to message Pratima. Everybody. Still, I'm connected to everybody because I need their support. I need their information still. So the students who is joined right now, don't break your contacts with your teachers or with your sir, whatever
Networking
the
is
lectures, because they are the
networking in
that's
the
a
industry
important,
and everything
yes,
is very important.
yeah, right. The thing is, the main thing is these all people who is still in the industry, so they have their own contacts. They can share their contact with you, and they have the practical knowledge more than you. Whatever you started, or you are a billionaire, what you designed 100 200 300 designs, but nothing matters in front of the practical knowledge of a person. So the thing is, don't lose your contacts. Each and every contact is important. Even still, I am getting small contacts from my college or from my. I worked in Marks and Spencer, so I have a big area of clients, big all India clients, and I used to work with lot of clients. Everything. So I have the contacts. So best thing is keep your contacts with your teachers and. The simple way are happy with your work. It will be make you happy, and going to your fashion shows and doing your artworks. Kruti ma'am to itna sketches, peasant sleeve, that sleeve, this sleeve, and we are like, ma'am. So there is lot of things you have to study, so enjoy it, and you have to be a little child in front of your teacher. That's the best way to study. Don't be a lecture, don't be a I'm the biggest, don't think like that. Be a small kid and grab everything. You will be happy in your life, you will be happy in your business or your job. That's the thing.
Okay. ऋषभ सर कहाँ गए आप? आपका क्या कहना है सर?
I'm here only.
हाँ जी बोलो.
Yes, there are so many things which I like about my college. The workload, the projects which we got, like so many projects, not even like kuch projects, every project, and the in-house fashion shows, the Mysore trip, which I really like, which I really enjoyed, and yeah, the worst thing is like the campus is okay, the place, but in a short place also we have learned so many things. It's not like बड़ी जगह है तो बड़ा सीखने को मिलेगा. It's nothing like that. We have learned so many things in this place also. So yes, it's really good. And yes, ma'am. And our faculty is really so good. We have grabbed so much of them from you, ma'am, from Sunita ma'am, and from Kriti ma'am also. Yes.
Okay, so I think we just overshot our timeline. One last thing, your advice to anybody who is looking at colleges and your for people who are aspiring to get into this industry, उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस है आपके पास? रोने की बात नहीं है प्रीति, रोते नहीं है बेटा.
मैम पसीना.
Okay. हाँ जी, so some piece of advice and also कि वो लोग अपने कौन से skills को better कर सकते हैं जिससे वो industry में successful हो जाए. So what kind of advice would you give them? Who will start?
Okay, so I would like to take this up. First thing that I would really like to share with you, don't limit yourself कि मुझे designer ही बनना है या मुझे इसी line में जाना है. There are so many options. Once you start learning things, आपको पता चलता है there are options. Never limit yourself. Never limit yourself into like one thing कि मुझे designing ही करनी है, मुझे retail में ही जाना है या मुझे अपना ही खोलना है. See what you are good at. If you have options, it is always good to look at options and choose what you are good at, because in that way you will excel the most. And second thing is, have your experience and always listen to others, because one thing is it always good to have feedback. Always feel positive about them. If you अगर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया and if you start feeling bad about it कि मेरा तो इतना अच्छा था, इतना खराब कैसे बोल दिया, always take it positively. Feedbacks are really important. You might not understand it now, but later on you will understand, okay, that feedback that time was accurate. Now I can see that, because at this level I know आपके level पे even we were like that कि इतना अच्छा था खराब क्यों बोल दिया. So always be open for feedback, be it of any kind, good, bad, or it will always make you learn something. And the last thing, college है, I know पढ़ना जरूरी है, but please have fun, because ये time वापस नहीं आता है. Once you start working, you won't get this time back. Make friends, go out, enjoy. Obviously it's COVID right now, but enjoy, have time for yourself, and थोड़ा सा time अपने लिए निकालना जरूरी है, वापस नहीं आएगा.
ये जूही को सबसे अच्छी तरह पता है because वो सबसे कम बाहर आई है हमारे साथ.
Exactly. मैं वही बोलने वाली थी, पृथ्वी ने बहुत enjoy किया है college.
मैम पढ़ाई भी बहुत करी है, आप तो बिल्कुल ऐसे निकम्मा दिखा रहे हो मुझे.
नहीं, of course पढ़ाई भी बहुत की है. We made sure कि तुम लोग पढ़ोगे, हम लोग तुम्हारे पीछा तो हमने छोड़ना नहीं होता ना.
Yes, I am the person, I think, the shortest period in college, maybe, because that way I got campus selection and I got the marks.
Yeah.
And I am the shortest person in college. I got directly to actually when Gulbash ma'am came to me to class and showing me that mera salary is like mera package, and she's like, yeah, Gopika, you are getting itna lakh in 1 year, and she is like more happy than me. Like, so I got a little time on my college, and that time nobody will forget me. That's the only thing I got. Even my the juniors or seniors never forget me because of na, I enjoyed my college, whatever. Even that samosa wala bhaiya hai na, udhar I forget his name. Still I am.
वो मैगी वाले भैया हैं यार, समोसे वाले
रंजीत भैया.
नहीं, उसमें मैगी अब बहुत कुछ और ऐड हो गया है, so it's okay. खाली मैगी नहीं है.
Everything.
मैगी पे जिंदा थे.
Guys, don't forget that we will get acha wala samosa and maggies in our college. Don't forget and don't lose it. If you are coming back.
सिर्फ आप लोगों की इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, अभी हमारे कॉलेज अभी तो ऑफ कोर्स कोविड की वजह से सब बंद है, बट हमारे एकदम राइट ऑपोजिट वो एक मोमो वाला भी आ गया है.
Momos, yes. You know, guys, like I first saw momos when I'm coming to Delhi. You know, in my
I don't know if you guys miss Sodipi or not.
We definitely do, Jui.
Yeah, Komal and I used to go there like every second day.
You know, I also miss that. Yes, Garim. Acha, तुमने बता दिया ना Garima. So okay, Rishabh has been disconnected. So good, good, very good. It was so nice seeing you guys again, and thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your experiences, and of course we will keep in touch. And अब आपस में बात कर लेना. I'm sure you guys can take some, you know, maybe Juhi can help you with buyers. Prithvi can help you with something. So Garima and Gopika, you can connect with them.
I'm gonna
And
talk to Juhi for sure. मैं सोच के बैठी हूँ.
hello, Juhi. So buyers.
Sure, I'm ready.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is a question which is not relevant for that. Sanjoli, we will talk on this very, very soon. Hopefully, colleges, जैसे ही situations get better, we will start opening up. ये भी बहुत हो रहा है ना, online teaching is there, but we all miss our campuses. So good. Anybody else has any questions before we end? I don't see any other questions coming up. Yeah, I think we are done with the questions. So good. So thank you guys. And it was really nice seeing you guys again. अभी ये बहुत formal सा situation है. So we will catch up again in the informal chat. All right. Chalo. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye,
See you.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
everybody. Thank you for attending this. And if there is any other questions, you please contact your admission managers, and then or connect. We can talk again. Right? Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.